Disassembly steps. Remove fixing screws from the cover at the bottom of the stacker. Use an Allen wrench to remove the Allen screw from the cover. Turn the handle to the left and remove the cover. Use an Allen wrench to remove the small cover at the bottom of the handle. Remove fixing screws from the limit switch. Take it out, then loosen the harness screw and unplug the harness. Installation steps. Replace a new one. Press down the handle to confirm the limit switch rebounds. Realign the small cover and secure it with screws. Reinstall the cover and secure screws.